Got the flying J. Let me clean up the camera. Sit smoke and mirrors for $80. We got the neon nightmares for $130. Diablos for what? $80. This is at gas station, by the way. The Flying J Ranch. We got Pandemonium. I'm just gonna do a quick run through. Like Fox Fireworks, 60. Baby Boomer is what? $100. I mean, that's Who the Man, $80. What's this? 30 shot. TNT Pink Hero. How much is that? And then we got $400 Jesser's Revenge. $160 Golden Peacock Mind Game by it's a Showtime. $100. Got The Godfather for $1,000. $200 for the Blockbuster assortment. It's at $279 for Night Display. Brothers is $709. Gosh, sorry, this is just a lot. We have all these crackers here. I might have to pick up one of these. Blockbuster assortments. It's pretty cool. What's it? $17.99. So, never mind. That's it. The Big Bang assortment is $1,000. Big Save Display is $209. This is the Flying J gas station in New Mexico. Flash Flood is $154. Party Pack 654. Backpacks. Smiley Happy Face Rockets are $30. $12 for the Black Hat Rockets. Oh my gosh. There's some 200 gram small ones, $8, which ain't bad. $20. Pink Cake, which is $24, which I mean it's Sonic Boom 22. Texas Rattler 25. I think this is all consumer, so I'm not really paying attention to most of it, but I'm just, since I was out here, I thought I'd make a little video. $4. Saturn missiles are $36 for a 300 count. I mean, you're paying for convenience, guys. Blue Hawaiian. We got Roman candles. Let's see this. 120 shots, $16. Cherry Bomb. That one is, one second please, it's $30. Happy Face. The orange, the original, it's $10. That's not bad. I don't know what else. There's not much for me to show you guys. $77.99. Home Run by TNT is $12. Super nice people, by the way. I talked to the lady. She's really nice. $5.99. Fox. I'm surprised they have this type of stuff out here. I mean, $39.99. This almost I thought this was Candy Crush for a second. I was like, why the hell is this here? It's Perfect Temptation for $35. So we got these fountains. It's pretty cool. What was it $59? $60 for Iron Maiden. Wild Card for $49.99. I mean, they're not unrealistic prices, so it's pretty nice. Strobes, flash, frogs. Let's look at the artillery here. We got Neon Diablo for $40. Festival balls for 12. Miniature canisters from TNT for 12. It's not bad. Special ring effect by Fox Fireworks. Sorry about the poor cameras. I don't know what's wrong with my phone. I didn't have time to bring anything. Can't see the price on it, guys. So I can't give you a proper price on it. Maybe I'm just blind? Oh, it's right here. Oh, it's $40. So that's not bad. $45 for the Magnums. I thought these would cost more, but $20 for those. Star Stingled Bangers. Like $20 for those. Showtime Bomb Burstings in the Air Maximum Loads. What's it? Bullet Bombs for $50. Mad Dogs for $50. $20, $22, $24. Yikes. These, how much are these? These are $120. $140, that's not bad. The Coda collection is $140. These are pretty, honestly. You guys should try this out if you guys ever get a chance. Let's see if they're probably about $140, I bet. $150, it's still not bad. $150. Slammer shells, $160. Terminators, $160. Yeah, I'd recommend. You know, if I need to grab something quick, it'd probably be here. If you were local, I guess. $159, I believe. Heritage is $8.90. Okay, and there's a little bit more here. Let's see, it's the IPA collection or the Black Cat assortment, $150. The IPA collection is $300. Yeah, I said $300. Let's see, Wacky Tobacco is $200, which, I mean, I saw this one at Mr. W, I think, for like $350, so it's not unreasonable. $189 for ring shells. Then these are going for $4 a piece. Lane flying at night, aircrafts. Mother of all bomb for $200. That's pretty nice. Oh, they have magic whips. Might have to grab some of these, honestly. $2 though. Oh. Snakes. Ladybugs for $7. Is it One Big Boom? I think Cody B lit this one. This was for $45 and they're all instant, so everything goes off. So if you want a cake that just instantly goes off, this was the one that Cody B lit off for $45, so it's not bad. Border Patrol. I guess that's kind of like a Donald Trump joke. $215, so it's American Dogfighter. That one's going for, doesn't say. Oh, $229. $279. Yikes. $60 for opening show. Green Palm would be $110. Pink Hero, I think I said this one already, for $80. This one's for $200. Mind Games. Dr. Shocker. There to be $66. Mob Boss, Wild Crafter. Red Palm, 12 shots for 110. And then we got a few right here that I know about, like Psycho Peacock for 20, Redneck Riviera for 20, Red Hot Blue, $20, Space Monkeys. Jaws is 35. And that's it. Thanks for watching my little review. Oh wait, let me get this last one here. The big red is 46. Thanks guys.